Hi, this is Farid, the owner and the founder of Pixelman.ca. I'm teaching since 1993 all digital arts fields from graphic design, web design, but most of the time I'm spending time and teaching in computer animation, 3D modeling, or 3D illustration and visual effect. Today I want to show you how exactly we can make a mesh method in the 3ds Max, as you can see in the screen that I have here. Let me show you, something like this. So this is the mesh, but we have more control on the mesh of this 3D object. Let's start from the beginning. I'm going to close everything. I'm going to make a new scene. Do not save. All new. In the top right, just click on the home and let's have something like that. Go to create geometry tab and then click on cylinder. Let's have a very simple cylinder like this. Personally, I like to have less side because I don't want to have a very complicated and heavy shape. Then right click on your object, go to convert to and convert to editable poly. After that, just in the right side hand, so in the section area, just go to polygons, select this one, delete, alt middle mouse to rotate the whole scene, and again this one and delete, and then let's go out of this. So I have just a very simple cylinder mesh without caps. After that, I am going to here, this area called modeling, polygon modeling. You have an icon here called generate topology. Just click on it. So you have a several kind of shape for your mesh in here. So let's use this one, edge direction, so that all the edge will be like this, and then close it because I don't want it anymore. And go back in here and select edge. I want to click this edge. Let's go to one of those orthographic view or two-dimensional view. I'm going to select all those edge, press alt key and just unselect this one. Again, go select this bottom things with the control key, alt again to unselect this area. Now if I go back to perspective view, you will see that I have only two loop selection of my edge. In here in the side view, again I'm going back and I'm looking for the one nice bottom called, I cannot find it, here we go, create shape from selection to make it linear. Now I have two nice shape in here. They are totally different from the mesh in the body. Again, I'm going back in here, and so I already have those ones selected. I'm going to only select those meshes. Let's go to two-dimensional view because you have more precise access to select them. Again, I'm going to click on where is it? I can find it again. Okay, here we go. Create shape from selection again, and here we go. That's it. Now if I go back to this polygon in here and select the polygon and press delete, so you have just a mesh in here. You know what? But you know what? This mesh is totally different from the other. Let's go out of them here. In the render area, yeah, everything is fine now. So I have a mesh done. You know what, actually I want to go give it some taper in modify channel. I'm going to taper here and just move a little bit like this. Well, it's not working. Hang on a second. Oh, you know what, before that, select those this shape in the body and just reduce the thickness of the mesh to 0.5, for example, 0.5, maybe 0.3. It's too thick, I don't want that thick. Yeah, and select edge in the two sides and make it around 0.8, so it must be a little bit thicker than the other one. Now select all of them, go to group and group it and give it the name. For example, call it bin, and that's it. Now if I go to here, modifier list, and go to the taper in here, now I can change the shape of my object, maybe a little bit curvy too. I don't know, it depends on you. I'm not a good artist, I'm just a 3D modeling guy. And yeah, here we go, that's it. If I render it, let me go press Shift F to see where exactly we are, and just go render it and see what exactly we did. Ta-da! Here we go. This is the mesh metal shape that you created from the very simple editable poly in 3ds Max. For more information and register in my courses, and you can go to my website. It's called www.pixelman.ca, and you can see all 45 courses that we are teaching professional. End of each course you can have a certificate, and all the certificates are pre-screened by Ministry of Education, Ontario, Canada. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.